Trick my track a lot.
I don't really know who did the bleachers. No, just kidding.
Trick my track.
My name's Gary Macon. I'm the owner at Motorcycle Madness in Dunn, North Carolina. I also work at GALOT Motorsports Park. At GALOT Motorsports Park, you can expect real Southern hospitality. You know, we are in the heart of the South. We try to show that hospitality to all of our guests that come to the track. GALOT Motorsports Park was originally Dunn Benson Drag Strip. It was sold to Earl Wells 5 years ago. Unbelievable transition ever since. The place is absolutely incredible. It's the #1 8-mile track on the East Coast, more than likely the country. GALOT Motorsports Park is innovative in their construction right from the ground up. One of only 3 that I know of that has a heated and cooled surface. When Mr. Wells bought the track, took everything down, every single thing. Earl does nothing half-assed. Earl Wells contacted Charles Jordan with Bleacher Builders. Hey boy, here you got some bleachers you want to sell. Bleacher Builders teamed up with GALOT. Bleacher Builders came to the property. Bleachers started going up, and they brought the facility together as it is right now today, and they definitely got it right. Charles had been taking down bleachers all over the country and repurposing bleachers all over the country. Bleacher Builders, turns out, is a green company. They repurpose stuff instead of it being destroyed and going to the scrapyard, being sent to China or overseas somewhere. It's been repurposed here in the U.S. Not only with drag strips, but with schools and colleges, and helping the towns actually curb their budget a little bit more, bring it down so they can actually do more things for the kids in school nowadays. It's hard to find those dollars. Our tax dollars just don't seem to go as far, but you know, with Charles Jordan coming into the picture at Bleacher Builders, they're able to stretch those dollars out, and that's exactly what he's done. The seating capacity is totally incredible. Great walk areas. I mean, it is definitely top notch. With some seats that were repurposed from Daytona Motor Speedway. We have about 8,000 seating capacity plus a little more. The drag strip surface now, all nice elevated seating. Everybody has a great seat when they're out there now. Just a top-notch job. It was a top-notch job. I'm Gary Macon, and let Bleacher Builders trick your track. Woo!
Trick my track.